What's going on, guys? Roscoe here, chilling with Bane. I got another video for you guys today, an unboxing. I got a bunch of stuff I want to unbox for you guys on the channel. I've had this stuff for about a week, and I can't hold it much longer because I want to rock some of this stuff. But the big release today was the Yeezy 700 Mauves. Those dropped, and also the Jordan 11 Platinums. Let me know down in the comments if you picked up a pair. I know for a fact the Yeezy 700s, there was about 900,000 pairs made worldwide. I know this because I called up Adidas and talked to the customer service rep, and she told me. So they usually find out like a couple days beforehand, she said. So the next Yeezy release, I'm definitely calling to see if I get some leaked information from them. But guys, I have a bunch of stuff. I have like probably about, I have 1, 2, 3, and then I got this box, which this is kind of out there. I wanted to make this a separate video alone for this box, but we'll see. We'll see. He's already excited. But guys, without further, let's just dive into it. Let's go. Alright, so the first package I have here was actually sent to me. It was gifted from the people over at Lagoon Goods. It's a clothing company. I'll put their IG right here. This is actually the first item I've ever gotten from, you know, someone on YouTube or anywhere, you know, in general, from IG for free. So I really appreciate it. I really do. So I checked out their website, and the clothing is kind of dope. So let's see. Let's see what they sent. Oh my god. This is insane. Wow, this is sick. Alright, so I got a beanie. So they sent over this beanie. It says insert, this is pretty cool. It says insert hype brand here. Right on the beanie, if you guys can see. That's sick. That is awesome. I'm going to post this all on my IG stories too, because I want to give them a shout out. Because this is really nice. This is like the first time someone sent some stuff to me. It's Lagoon Goods. Pretty cool. This is sick. I'm definitely gonna rock this. I love the beanies with the little, how do you call these things? Little fluffy things, and he loves to chew these, so I definitely gotta hide this from him. They sent me that. And, oh my god, what the hell? Yo, this is sick. Look at this sticker. They sent me this big Lagoon, I guess probably the brand is sort of similar to like the Lagoon Monster, maybe? I'm not 100% sure, but they sent me this Lagoon sticker. That's sick. That's dope. They sent me a card, but I'll read that after. A postcard. A couple of them. They sent me a couple postcards, more stickers. This red sticker. Wow, this is insane. Holy crap. And then some business cards. Cool. I'll put this, like I said, I'll put this all in my IG stories. I'll put make a nice little picture. I'll put that in there so you guys can check it out. But here's the shirt. Goon. Ah, that's sick. So it just says Goon on the front, and then it has their logo on the back. That's sick. That's cool. That's dope. I'll probably wear this for Sneaker News Sunday tomorrow. I'll rock this for you guys. I wonder if it glows in the dark. That'd be dope if it did. That's sick. I like the logo. The logo is cool. So thank you guys. Thank you for sending this to me. That was very nice. Now the next one, I think the next is all Yeezy stuff. All Yeezy stuff. So what's this? I have no idea. Oh, actually this is the giveaway. It finally showed up. This is the giveaway stuff. So this is going to be I'm doing a Supreme giveaway. I have it over there. It's the hat and the waist bag. And I'm dropping this too for you guys. This is the next prize. I'm giving you guys some Hanes Supreme tees. Yes, I'm glad, because I thought this was lost. They said it was delivered Friday, and I was home all day Friday, and nothing came. But I'm glad it showed up. I thought maybe my neighbor took it or something, but I don't know. I live like there's nothing but older folks like in their 70s around me, like my neighbors. So that'd been funny if I saw one of my neighbors and they're walking around with a cane wearing a Hypebeast Supreme tee. I'd be like, yo, I would knock him over. I'd push him down. Like, nah, that's my stuff. Some Supreme stickers, I'll give you guys that too as well. Wow, so I thought that was, maybe I haven't got that shirt yet. That's weird. Alright, so this is from Yeezy. I know this is from Yeezy. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. So these are the Calabasas pants. I picked up both colorways. I love these pants. I love the red ones. I heard these ones a little bit what am I talking about? A little bit thinner. A little bit thinner. They have the waistband strap on it, so I picked them up, both colorways, of course. I'll be rocking these when I'm in New York City next weekend. But yeah, I got I believe this is the Luna colorway. Look how nice these are, man. Wow. I'll throw these on too, maybe, and give you guys a fit look. But wow. Yeah, they're definitely thinner because I can hold it up against the light and I can see right through it. So if you rock these, I would definitely maybe put a thermal, wear like a thermal underneath. Pick up the Supreme thermals when they restock and wear that and put these over it. Oof, fire, man, fire. Giving you guys fashion tips, that's what my job is, man. Calabasas down the side. Now the key is too, people complain and say like these, the Calabasas logo fades and wears off and it like sticks. Don't put these in the dryer. Do not put these in the dryer when you wash them. Just wash them, and then hang them up. Let them air dry. You're fine with it. These are not gonna get super dirty. They're not. You shouldn't stain them unless you spill food on them. And if you do, just wash them and air dry them. Do not put them in the dryer. Because when you put them in the dryer, I don't know what you call it, the plastic or whatever, will stick to it, and then you peel it, and then that's when it's gonna rip. So my recommendation is don't put these in the dryer. There you go. I'm telling you how to do laundry too now on the channel. But hey, I learned that the hard way through college. And then I picked up the gray colorway. I thought the wolf. I think they call this the wolf gray. I forget the name. What color? Yeah, the wolf color. This one's fire, man. Again, I would rock these with the waves, man. Rock these heavy with the waves. You can throw the blushes. I wouldn't rock Supermoons or Butters with these. But you can definitely rock the Beluga 2.0s. Those would be fire. The Utility Black 500s. And then I'll put another picture here. These are the two new colorways that's coming this November. It's gonna look fire with the new 700s and the Sesames. So those, I'm definitely gonna try to pick up one of those colorways. I probably won't pick up both because I picked two here. But definitely, I think I'm looking at I think it's the umber color. It's like a light, actually darker red. I don't know, it's like a cranberry sort of. But I'm definitely picking up that one. That one's fire. But I picked up the gray, you know, because I'm through college. They used to call me the gray man because I lived in gray sweats and gray hoodies when I was in class all day. Calabasas inside, dope, fire, fire. And then there you go. Here's your evidence. First time they put the string on these. So these came for 120 each. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. So that's that. He's all excited because I know I'm gonna open this box and he's gonna go nuts. But, oh no, I don't even have a knife. What am I doing? How am I gonna open this? Oh, here we go. Here, how am I gonna open this? Here you go. Here, bite it. Ah, bite it. Here we go. Oh, so this is the package I've been waiting for. Oh my god, I can't believe I bought this. I can't believe I bought this, guy. This is supposed to be a PG-13 show. And over here being an idiot. Here, go play the blocks. Guys, I bought these. I did buy these. So these are the official, you know what, collaboration shirts. I'm not gonna take these out because I don't know. Oh god. This is Kendra Sunderland. I don't know who these are, I swear to God. Put that on my soul. I don't know who these are, but this is Mia Makola, I don't know how to pronounce her name. That's her shirt. These are actually reselling too. I saw on StockX. I think they have them listed on StockX too. But these are actually reselling, so I might just resell these and keep one. We'll see. And if anybody asks me like, why did I buy these? One, I thought it was funny. Two, I might do a reaction video if I wear these and like go to Thanksgiving dinner with this on. I'll get some good reactions from my parents, but especially my grandma. Actually, my grandma probably can't even see, so she won't even notice. But yeah, I picked these up, man, just for hanging out. Maybe I'll wear one around the house. But yeah, other than that, man, this is probably the reason why I'm single. Right, yeah, rocking around with t-shirts like this. But that's what I picked up today. I thought I had the orange long sleeve come in, which is crazy because I thought it said it was getting delivered. What I'm talking about is this one right here. I got this shirt. Everyone asked me about this shirt. Look how bright it looks like in this camera. But I picked this shirt up in orange for like 40 bucks. I thought it came in, but I guess not. I also picked up the free Hoover crew neck. That should be coming in soon. But this is what I got for you guys today. What do I have coming? Oh, be on the lookout too for Sneaker News Sunday. Dropping that video tomorrow. And I also might be raffling off a pair of the new 700s. So that might come next week because I want to give back again to you guys. So I picked up an extra pair of 700s. Probably going to do a raffle on the channel so you guys can cop. But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. Hey, and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.